Whoa!
I say that! I say that for colder! Mommy, I need help!
Need help getting your bike? Okay.
I want to take off my bike. I want to take off my bike.
Want to drink and drive?
No.
Who wants to drink and drive today?
Are you thirsty? Here, you want me to take your water?
Musty.
Are you stuck? Cole, no whining. Say help, please. Back it up. Yep. Back. Oh, oh. Oh, no. We had a wipe out. Help, help. I've fallen and I can't get up. Here's Cole throwing a fit. Say, I'm throwing a fit. I'm mad. I'm throwing a fit. Up. I know. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.